Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video. So today we are going to see the problem of VS Code. So basically, the live server is, if you're installing live server and it is creating problem for the first time, and you are desperate, like you have seen 10 to 20 videos, and we have tried all those things, like changing the different browsers and changing the default settings. After that. Creating a path and opening in a folder. So if you tried all those things, okay, so I'm mentioning all the things, right? So you were here, you can see on my screen, you are not able to see go live option here. So if your situation is like me, so if it is a worse situation where nothing is working, guys, okay, so I'm using Windows 7 here, and I have installed VS Code, and you can see I have written a simple code which consists of two lines. This is the title of the website and this is the body. So I was just starting with this HTML, and in the beginning itself I am facing the error. So I have tried many things, like I just show you some examples here. So I have added this one to the path, like okay, so I will show you how I have added this one to the path. So in this, that is in C users Intel, I have created a folder called HTML programming, where it is okay. So I have just created that one. Okay, so HTML coding, I have created this one. So it is like the first document, and I have written one code for that one. So you can see I have named it as first.html. Sorry. So first.html is the program which I have written for that one. And when I try to run this one, open with live server. So before that, note that before I have installed all those things, like so live server, here you can see it is already installed in my system. So there is uninstall option, and I have already installed this live server. So this is the first thing which everyone will be doing, and after that so few people, lucky people, will see a go live option, and their browser will open automatically, and they are able to perform their, execute their code easily. And after that, few will add to the path. They will go here, file, and after that open folder they will do. And after that, wherever the code is written, like here in my case it is written in HTML coding, then I will select this one and select folder. So after that, the same thing will open. And after that, if you try, then also your live server will not open. So these are the two things which you have done. After that, some people, what they will do, they will go to settings. Okay, so why I'm telling is, these are the different ways which you will trying, or you might be trying, or you might have tried. But after that, at the end, I will tell one sure shot, one sure shot thing which will work. But okay, so you need to do something for that one, that I will tell in the end. Okay, so you can, few people, what they have did is extension. They will go to extension settings, and after that, in users they will scroll down and down and down. So live server, and after that, live server settings, and in settings you will be having use browser preview. So if it is checked, few people will tell that just uncheck this one and just check this one, use local IP. So uncheck this one and check this one. Okay, so after that you just close this one, and boom, your live server will open. But if I try to do something, or if I try to do the same thing, my live server is not opening. So okay, so I have done everything, each and everything I have done. And now the last way I will tell you guys. Okay, what you need to do is just remember the file name. So my file name is first.html. So open your Chrome explicitly. Okay, so then what you do, I will close that one. Then what you can do is write here localhost. After that, write colon localhost colon 5500. This is the default port, guys. And after that, okay, so slash your file name first dot html. See this clearly. First write localhost, then give colon, then 5500 you write, then forwards, then backward slash, and then first.html, which is the file name. You can see this is the file name which I have given, and then hit enter, guys. So once you hit enter, your file will be opened in a browser. So now you can see this is the title of website, because I have given the title like that only. See, this is the title. Now I will change these two things and I will show you. So this is the problem problem, I'll give that heading. And now I got temporary solution for this problem. So I have changed the settings. Now there is tick mark, which means you have not saved the file. So press Ctrl S on your keyboard, and after that go to your browser. So now you can see this is the problem. The heading of the browser, I mean the heading of this page was changed to this is the browser, or heading of this website I can say. And now I got temporary solution for this problem, it is showing. And I, of course, I can change color and all those things. Color, okay, so in styles I have to do. So here I can do in styles. Okay, so that will leave. No worries. So that we'll see in our next video. So like this is possible, one of the possible ways, guys. I don't know which one will be working for you. Different systems will be having different problems, and in my case this was working, so I thought this is worth sharing with you guys, because a lot of guys will be facing this problem. So they'll keep on trying, but I have installed 2 to 3 times. In my case itself, I have tried 20 different ways, but this one was working fine for me, so that's why I'm sharing this one with you guys. So I hope it is clear, guys. Anything you might change. Okay, so I will change something here. Lorem. Okay, so lorem. After that I will go to the settings. Then word wrap was the one of settings. Word. Okay, it's okay, there is no need to use this one in this at this moment. Okay, so lorem is basically something which creates random numbers, random words here. So I'll just save this one and try to open in the browser. So you can see now I got temporary solution for this problem. Then lorem I have written, then I have some dollar say damit concept. So these are the different words which will be creating, I mean the amit abbreviation which is installed, that is the extension which is installed inside VS Code. So that will be creating these type of random words for you. So basically I just wanted to say you that if you use this technique, then it might work for you. And in this world there is no 100% guarantee, guys. So try this one, give a try, just give a try for this one as well. And if it works, fine, otherwise go for the next step. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. Thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.